you get it?
I can't.
Yeah. Santa Claus must have shoved that in there pretty good, huh? There. Did you get yours, Sissy? What did he put? Awesome.
This!
What did he put?
This!
Oh my goodness. Is that a pony and some princess stuff? What is that?
Hey, we got some.
Oh yeah, those candy canes. He stuck those down in
Take a
there.
picture of mine.
Okay. Let me see. Oh, it's some princess lipstick.
Awesome! It's a lightsaber.
Cool.
Take a picture of
Santa
mine.
knew just what you wanted, didn't he?
Yeah. I want these.
Okay. Keep on looking in your stocking, Natalie. Did he leave you some candy?
Well, that's weird.
Dump it out there on the floor. Oh.
SpongeBob SquarePants. Yuck.
What is it, a toothbrush?
Yeah.
Oh,
Mommy!
You got some socks? He knew that you needed some new socks because your feet are growing so much.
Pink one.
Pink ones. Some Christmas socks.
Purple one.
Yeah. Okay.
I got lots of. Look!
What is it?
Princess toothbrush.
Oh. I think Santa Claus wants you guys to brush your teeth.
Santa Claus got
Is that
this
it? Is your
and-
stocking empty?
Yeah.
Pour yours out, Sissy. What else is in there?
I'm gonna open my present.
Okay.
Out.
Here, wait. Let's see who they're from.
Candy.
Yeah.
I open my present.
Let's see. That one is from me and Daddy. And that's to Nicholas. And,
This
uh-huh.
Let's see.
A sucker!
Yes, this is what I need.
Is that awesome?
Yeah.
Good.
Where's my other one?
Okay, hold on just a second.